Hey everyone, it's Monday the 6th of February. Welcome back to the Day Trade with Tony Small Account Challenge 2023. We've had 12 consecutive green days since the start of the challenge on January the 17th. Now at the start of a new week, we wanted to keep that green streak going. Unfortunately, we didn't manage it. So we had a losing day across the board today, and in small accounts as well. Just for whatever reason, my today is just trading gods have deserted me, and the profit gods decided to play tricks on me. It'd be like that sometimes, and unfortunately, as a day trader, you've got to get used to having days where you lose money. Every single trader out there loses money. It has days. They have losing trades. They have losing days, and they have losing weeks, even months. Even you have periods where you are losing money. The key is to keep your losses small and manage them effectively. So, how much did we lose today? Well, we've lost almost $1,000. Well, 992. It did get a. We actually lost over $2,000 to start off with. Managed to traded two stocks. We traded Big Bear AI and lost over $2,000. We traded it again later in the day as it started to make a move up and recovered a little bit of that. And then meme stock decided to rally. All the meme stocks, AMC, Bed Bath and Beyond, etc., etc. So we traded AMC on the small account. Almost $1,000 on that, so $932 on. So that left us with $992 in the hole. Unfortunately, the market's closed now, so I'm just going to lock it down and put it down to a bad day at the office. Not too worried. I've had worse situations. We've now effectively had our first losing day on the small account challenge. It was coming. I was expecting it, and I was expecting a bigger day than this actually, and it could have been a bigger day than this, but $900. It's unfortunate, but losing days happen, so we've just got to get over it. We go again. So let's have a look. Big Bear uh, artificial intelligence. That's what we're looking for here. We traded this shortly after the open, and it's I'm showing the 5 minute because the 5 minute is relevant that I didn't pay heed to. So I got in here. We made a little bit of profit on the way up here, and was able to take some profits. And then we added to the position. And of course, on the way back down, we got out for a loss. And then as it made its way back up, we re-entered. But I'm not. I was watching the lower time frames, not paying attention to the higher time frames. And of course, we've got classic devil horns, the reversal signs on the 5 minute, and I didn't pay heed, and that's where I made a mistake here. And as this started to make lows on the 5 minute, exited for a significant loss, and that was Big Bear AI. We did trade this a little bit later in the day, so here, so we were able to trade this as this moved up, got a little bit on this move up, and got some of the initial losses back. That's when we noticed AMC, Bed Bath and Beyond, and the rest of the meme stocks really kicking in, and AMC moved up into a halt. Even actually got I was in the position whilst it in a halt, took some profits up at the top, and was able to get $900 out of this. The meme stocks had a resurgent day today. The question I'm kind of thinking is will they continue tomorrow? So AMC, Bed Bath and Beyond, GameStop, the rest of the meme stocks, they're good on my watch list, and I'll have those on my watch list tomorrow. But we we've got to be disappointed in the way I've traded today. The stocks that I've traded, whilst getting in, I was okay. Not taking profits quick enough. Mistake number one. not paying heed of the exiting or reversal indicators, mistake number 2, and holding on to the losing trade too long, mistake number. I was guilty of that on almost every trade that went against me today. So not the best trading performance from my own point of view. So on the small account, I've got to zoom out. I can't be disappointed. I've got to zoom out. Whenever you have a bad day, I always say this: zoom out. If you're having a bad year, then I can't help you. But if you're having a bad career, I can't help you. But whenever you're having a bad day or a bad moment, a bad period in your trading career, zoom out. That's in terms of intraday, across the week, across the month. And it is the first day of the week, so I can't really look at the week. Let's actually have a look at where we're at in terms of on the month with the small account challenge. And when we're coming up to 3 weeks in now, so we're actually at 3 weeks in. We're kind of 15 days in. This is day 15. So let's have a look at the statistics on the small account challenge. So as you can see here, we didn't have a red day up until today. So 12 consecutive trading days. There's an argument for me to say that it's actually day 15. So we've had 14 days without a red day. Yes, I can say that. But we've had 12 consecutive green days where we've traded, because we didn't do no trade days on the 19th and 26th. But if I look at, we had a good day on Friday, a really good day on Thursday, not so good on Wednesday last week. But today's our first losing day, our first red day. So let's take a look at where that puts us now. If I look at the detailed reports, we're now $7,500 in terms of gross profit. So if you take 5 days a week, that works out at an average of a little over, well, a little under $600 a day in profit. It's not bad. It's from a small account. We started the account with just under $2,500. $2,476 was our starting position 15 days ago. So we're back down to $8,000, just over $8,000, and you've got to accept that you're going to have wings to the low side on your equity curve. So an equity curve, in the long term, you want it to see going upwards, but occasionally you're going to have these downswings. So now we've got a drawdown to recover from. So it's not a huge drawdown. We do have an account, a sizable enough account that we could recover that in a day or two, but we're going to stick to the plan of gaining 5% per day. So today, unfortunately, we lost 10%. But 5%, so hopefully we can recover that tomorrow, but we're looking for 5%. So $8,000 account tomorrow, we're looking for 400 in profit. We're not going to swing for the fences. We're going to be selective on our trades. We're going to continue to look for the good setups, and hopefully we'll be able to make some good gains tomorrow. Make up for a poor day at the office today. So, like I say, it's a bad day at the office. We're still in a 5-1 in terms of trade selection, so we're still doing right things. It's just sometimes the trades are not going to go your way. And on the small account challenge, across the board today, it was like that for me. So I'll be back at it tomorrow, an hour before the market opens, so that'll be 8:30 market time, East Coast. It's 1:30 p.m. here in Ireland. So make sure that you're ready to join me for the live session. I'll be streaming my trades live. First hour is the last hour of pre-market, then the next hour and a half. We're doing for 2.5 hours. The next hour and a half is the first 90 minutes of the regular session. And we were looking to have a good green day. Now, the last time we had a big red day was last Monday, and we came back with a big green day the following day. So hopefully we'll be able to do that on both the small and main accounts this week. So let's see what the market brings tomorrow. Hope to see you there. Remember to hit the thumbs up button, really helps me out, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Through fourth hold. Oh, that's hold.